Are you good already?
Hindi pa tapos dito sa kabila.
Gago di pinapamount on si Henry.
Yo, let Henry mount up. Hey, stop catching him. Hello?
Si Cell nag-aano sa kanya.
Prime, kuha
Ah,
nga dito.
come back na twist now. Yo, listen. Come now. We need to bank first.
Wala sa akin sa bank. Ayan.
Okay na ba? Everybody come north,
Okay na.
come na twist. Yeah, listen, the people that died and still in hideout, just wait there. Everybody come north. Okay. At least you guys are not less of a pussy now, guys, and actually pushing, okay? Yeah, we go bank loots first. How big were they actually? I didn't check. How big were they?
42.
42 din, sorry.
Wala in 3 pound.
Yeah.
Extra pound siguro ang PLAC yung atam.
DPS, learn to react faster on headbutts, okay? If you guys have always been so slow in engaging, you're forced to actually just play much faster in a much faster pace, in a more reactive pace. That's what I mean. Come zone. Come southwest.
Wait, nag-locks ka na.
Fuck yourself. What the fuck do you mean, nigga? Come. Everybody's zone southwest. Come southwest. Back roads. Refill your potions, food. If you don't have extra food, refill it also. For some of the headbutts, I'm still slow at calling it because one, the lag is kind of delaying me. Sometimes they blink and engaging already. That's why sometimes it's delayed. But yeah, just expect more headbutts, more counters. Zone. Bank loots, go zone in, bank loot, city tab 2, city tab 3. Whatever not filled, okay? City tab 2, city tab 3. Yeah, banky loots. Refill your potions if you don't have extra. Refill your food if you only brought one earlier. Refill it, boys. Like, why the fuck am I bringing another one? Alright. Ready? Defend headbutt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Everything.
City tab 1, city tab 2, city tab 3. Drop it. Good. Come back. Pin up. Careful in the first side. Good. Okay. Drop it there. City tab 3. Drop it to city tab 3. City tab 3 has space. Everybody zone out, hold northeast. I'm waiting for everyone, okay? Everybody hold northeast. Listen, everybody hold northeast. you know, I see the big clap in the front line, right? Plus fuck all, no engage. I just walk in. I just care for the bomb squads, you know, tanks, right? Yeah. So like, listen up, right? Tanks, right? So the moment we see a big clap, right, from the bomb squad,
Would
fuck
you
all has
say?
no and fuck all has
This is
no
a attack?
engage, right? Yeah. So what I'm basically saying, right? Yo, everybody's on notice. The moment, right, there's a big clap from main Zerg, I mean from bomb squad or either main Zerg, right? And fuck all doesn't have an engage. I call for a walk-in, and there's like 3 bomb squads behind also of him, or 2 bomb squads behind of him. We have to be careful of that. That's why when I call a walk-in tanks, right? When I call a walk-in, the battle mounts, the tanks, right? You guys have to step up and have eyes on them already, because they can either counter me when I engage on the enemy backline, or they can hit me while I'm walking in. So we have to be prepared for that. If they try to hit me while I'm walking in, expect me to headbutt it, right? But when I hit, like let's say I hit Fakol, another bomb engage, right? Fakol has no defense. I hit Fakol, main engage, then expect, they can counter me. So expect the, try and stop them and hold them down. Zone artis, zone artis. Zone and holding cups, holding cups. Everybody holds southeast, come southeast, hold southeast. Everybody hold southeast, wake up.
After CTA, can you review my foot series?
They already here. How did Salvage?
Yeah, double OC.
So I found him.
Everybody zone in
Come
southeast.
north. Wait. Heal up, heal up, heal up. Come north, come north, come north, come north.
One thing that 6-0 does, right? Yo, everyone come to me, recall to me. Yo, we start already, fight start already. Careful. Yo, the battle mounts food up and go live. Come southeast, come southeast. As much as possible, listen boys, I'm gonna try to take the south angle, right? When we push in, if there's space on the south side, we're gonna make sure that we're on the south angle. But be careful if you're hugging the wall, because you see that Fuckle's trying to look at it. He's ready to fucking go deep on you guys and rape you guys there. Okay, so just be careful of that, please. Come southeast now. Where is he? Where is he? Can I get scout? Everybody follow me south side. Follow me south side now. Follow me
I'm on
south
them.
side.
I'm on them.
Okay. Follow south side fast. Follow south side fast. Follow south
They,
fast.
I think they're ready right now. They're talking about
Fast. Yeah, listen, this mommy. He said 1 minute. Comes outside, follow. Spread. I think second food already, to be honest. 10 minutes. Yeah, much better, boys, Much better. Much better engages, please.
Can we cast the cow itself? Like, they trying to mark.
Hey, why did he zoom back? Come he said. Is he coming here or did he zone southwest?
Southwest. Tama.
Why the fuck is map queuing? Hey, why do I have 46%
I think
now?
there's some small scale. Someone capping the outpost.
Listen,
Five,
listen.
six. Watch out, inside the pump.
Kanina pa yung
Careful,
46 ata eh.
Really? Actually, 46.
Tapos sila 42.
Yeah, wait for rotation. Wait for key rotation. We're 160 PLACs like 130. It shouldn't be queuing, but there's this small scale blob on the fucking chest. Chill, man, nigga.
Fix ba tong pralo?
Yeah, mantam. Come notice. Mantap first.
That's blah.
Let's go. Everybody wake up. Comes out to me. Regroup on me. Yeah, mantap. Where is he? Can I get is everybody regroup on me on the crown? Yes.
Going to you. On the road. On the main road. Yeah.
The main road.
The main road coming to you. No, just holding him.
Come east.
This body here.
Dismount me.
Yo, this one.
This body on the roads, by the way.
On the road, right? Come southeast side.
You have to take south angle.
Yeah, come southeast side.
I mean, this one is two screen.
Yeah, that is body.
This one will choke.
Listen.
Down here.
Listen. Come uphill south side here. Come uphill south side here.
It
Take
is
space on the south side here. I come west side. Just come west side. Just walk.
They marking you now.
Just walk. Keep coming south side. Keep coming southwest side. Yeah, listen, be careful, okay? He's on the northwest now, one screen away, okay? Take space out. Take space out. Kill the mobs behind. Careful in the front line. Ready to headbutt, boys. Careful. Tanks, careful, okay? Keep coming. Spread outside.
Heal the tanks. Andito yung Bradled na Pierce.
Yeah, ready. They're looking, okay? Shallow. Careful, shallow. Ready to headbutt shallow, boys. Spread. Ready to headbutt. Headbutt 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt. And come back. Hinila pa, okay? Hila po.
600 are on the west, straight west.
Careful over the wall west side, okay? Careful over the wall west side.
Heal the front.
Hila po only.
Heal the tanks.
Careful in the front line, boys. Somebody watch my
Hold
back
on,
line,
have
please,
engage
boys.
after 5 seconds.
600
Yeah,
looking, they're coming from west.
600 looking,
heal
careful. 600 looking, okay?
inside.
Careful on the west.
6 have all engage now.
Yeah, focus engage, okay? Careful. 6-0 looking over
Watch
the wall.
out.
Yo, over the wall.
Careful.
Yo, heal the tanks fast.
Yeah, listen.
And so on the west too. They're all on the
Yeah.
west.
Listen,
Behind
6-0 can engage over the wall, okay? So be careful, okay?
They're trying to play counter now.
Yeah, listen. Just spread on the south side. Spread on the south side. South side, boys, not northeast side. South side. Southeast side. Just be careful over the wall. Don't get engaged on over the wall, okay? Listen,
They
just
all
take
have a
space on the
high
southeast side.
all have
Listen, if they push in, we're gonna go southeast, not northeast, okay? So be careful, okay? Careful, careful, heal up shallow.
Careful west wall.
Yeah.
Careful west wall.
Don't come
The
close, don't come
600
close.
west
Listen.
engage.
Yeah. Fako looking shallow, okay? West side, get ready, heal up. Oh my
Yo,
god,
heal
the
the
tank
front.
just
Heal in
died.
front.
Blagsasa on the north.
Yeah. Yeah. Yo, ballistas, can you target enemy ballista first? Rape the ballista.
Triple is to east with Pakol.
Yeah, listen. I really don't like this space, to be honest. Yo, careful. They're gonna look shallow, okay? Great headbutt. Careful over the wall, boys. Careful over the wall. Just wait. Ready defense, okay?
Watch out, shallow.
600 looking.
West,
Oh, west,
west,
west, west,
west,
west,
west,
up the wall.
Defense.
Yeah, come southeast.
Yo,
come
focus
southeast,
still
come southeast.
stand up
Yeah,
to
come
the choke,
southeast.
watch out.
Listen, come southeast.
Yo, follow Mugi.
Come
Or
southeast.
Yo, careful over the wall.
Yo, kill this shitters behind us. Come south, Dan.
Sige ako,
Okay.
Martin you sao?
Come south, Daniel. Come south,
Okay,
Daniel.
sige ako,
There is
Okay,
medical
come south,
rotation on
come
your
south,
west. You
come
can
south.
kill 600
Yeah,
on your west.
Yo, come west,
You
can
can
we
slow him.
catch 6-0? Yo, come west, can we catch 6-0?
Too far.
Come west.
Black behind you, black behind you.
Come back south. Come back south.
Yo, follow me.
Tank, delay to northeast
Stay
side.
with
Come south.
Mugi.
Delay. He coming south. Just push south. Just walk south.
Yo,
Just walk
southeast.
south here. Yo, stop this
600 has
ballista
a
here.
light rotate to fuck all.
Careful, okay? Listen. They're uphill. Be careful.
Yo,
Come
they're
south.
north
Come
of us,
southeast,
they're north
okay?
of us.
Downhill, southeast. Okay, now just hold here. Spread south. Careful, okay? Focus stepping up. Listen, spread more. He's gonna look shallow soon. Get ready, spread.
Yo, spread out.
Okay, take south, boys. Take south, not east side. Take south. Alright, good. Careful shallow. Listen, careful shallow. Tell me if it's engaging, okay? Hold on here. Much better angle here. Just hold here. Just wait a bit.
They may try to engage on.
Northwest 5, 4, 3, 2,
Yo,
1. Northwest now.
Mugi. Heal inside.
Heal up only. Careful. Listen. Careful on the shallow choke.
Yo,
Spread
out, spread out.
Come back south. Careful. Ready.
So,
Ready.
outside.
Yo, they're gonna look.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
no, no,
Come southwest.
600's deep.
Come south. Where?
East side, engage east side.
Bruce is on you.
Come east side. Oh yeah, I thought south side. Okay, sorry. Come back.
Heal
I thought
inside,
it's
heal
south side.
inside.
North side, get ready. Wait. Come back. Hold. Yeah, listen. Come south side more. They have the uphand. You know, they have the fucking terrain angle. Just hold south side here. Take space, okay? Listen, get ready, okay? He's gonna engage deep again soon. 6-0's in the front also, okay? Ready to headbutt,
6-0 have a cooldown now. They have engaged.
Yo, Malika, they're stepping up. Careful. Malika, get ready. North,
They're
5,
looking.
4, 3,
Fake.
2, 1. North. He's gonna counter this. He has to engage, okay? He's gonna counter this. Careful.
Yo, fallen.
Ready, def.
Yo, he's gonna look.
Careful. Careful west side. Def.
Yo, defense.
6-0 look southeast side.
600 coming
Heal
down.
up only. 600 on the east side. Heal up.
Yo, heal east.
Heal up only. Careful, okay? 6-0's gonna. Yo, listen. Fuck all us engage, okay? Just wait. Spread on the south side.
Yo, keep healing east.
First. Careful in the front line.
Yo, heal east,
Listen,
heal east.
just wait. Careful shallow.
Yo, can one hollow fall stay east?
Yo, Mugi, they
Malika, step up now. Malika, step up. Potion walk. Tanks walking.
Watch out.
Spread.
Yo, walk in spread.
Yo, 6-0
Stay
split
with
up.
Mugi, stay with Mugi.
He's in the northeast side, okay? Yo, careful. Focus
Stay
on
with
here.
Mugi, stay with
Northwest
Mugi.
also, get ready. Spread.
No.
Malika, look at the
On the
counter
choke.
inside of me.
Up the
5,
hill.
4, 3, 2, 1. Full counter inside of me.
Keep dropping.
Now.
Heal inside.
Spread. Careful. I'm dead. Come south.